The first thing we are going to talk about is the amount of money you need to trade with. It obviously takes money to make money in Forex, but how much do you need to get started? The answer to that question really depends on how you want to start. The first step is being educated. I can't tell you how lucky you are to have access to this entire academy. This course shortens the learning curve and gets you on your way to profitability faster than anything else. Can you imagine if you had to research all of this information yourself? It would take years to learn it all. And it does take years for people to learn this skill, but it takes less than a month with Edge Trading Academy. There is not another academy out there, in my opinion, as good as this one. But any that are relatively comparable cost anywhere between $1,000 and $10,000. You basically get to pocket that money and use it for trading. Of course, you have to stay laser focused on learning from this academy and in the market, or you won't be successful. You've made it this far, so you're probably doing a pretty good job so far. Second, you need to think about what your approach is to trading in the market. What tools are you going to pay for so that you have more success in the market? Most high-end softwares cost at least a few $100 a month, or a fat $5,000 as a one-time payment. Here at Blue Edge Financial, we want anyone, no matter their financial situation, to be successful in the market and to have access to the right tools in order to be successful. Make sure to take advantage of all the tools and softwares of Blue Edge Financial to help you trade more successfully. It's definitely worth it. The last thing you need is money to trade with. How much money you need depends on your strategy or software you are using. It could range anywhere from a minimum of $100 to $1,000 to $10,000 or more. Always remember that losses are part of the Forex game, and so you just need to make sure you have enough money in your account to take on some losses. Sometimes it's better to continue learning and practicing on a demo account as you save up some money. For example, instead of starting with $100, save your money until you have $1,000 to start trading with real money, and as you save, focus on finding a strategy that is profitable that you have a lot of confidence in. There is no need to rush into things before having a good strategy. You might just end up being underprepared and lose your money. Demo trade until you feel ready to put real money in.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.